Excuse me, can I take you?
Take me? I'm sorry, I'm married.
Oh, no, sorry. I mean, can I take the taxi, Uber?
Oh, you should say, are you available? Is this taxi free? Can I get in?
Oh, are you available?
Yes, I am.
Can I put this in the back?
No, because that's where you'll be sitting.
What? Like a prisoner? I'm going to sit in the back? Yes. You'll sit here and your baggage will stay in the trunk. Trunk. This is what I meant. This is the trunk, also known as the boot in British English. We store our baggage in the trunk and not in the back seat. This is the back of the car, also known as the back seat. Usually people say back seat to refer to this space. That's why if you say back, native speakers will probably assume you're talking about the back seat. And these are the front seats. Front seats. If you want to be even more specific, you can call this the passenger seat and this the driver's seat. The passenger seat and the driver's seat. Hi learners! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you ready to embark on this adventure and learn useful vocabulary to use when taking a taxi or an Uber? Let's go!
Today is going to be a good day. Nothing will go wrong.
Sorry, I'm having trouble applying the seatbelt. Oh, are you having trouble buckling the seatbelt? Buckling the seatbelt. Oh, it worked. In English, if you say apply, you're usually talking about something that goes on you, like lotion or makeup. For seatbelts, especially on airplanes, we usually say fasten your seatbelt, such as I need help fastening my seatbelt, or buckle, like buckle your seatbelt. Where are you headed? Headed? Yeah, where are you going? Oh, to the closest mall. I love shopping for clothes in Orlando. Perfect. I just wanted to say that we might run into a traffic jam. Is that okay? A traffic jam? Yeah, I mean, the cars may move very slowly or not move at all, and you might be a bit late. Oh, no problem. I know it's the time people go to work. Rush hour. Rush hour. No problem. Could you raise the AC? Do you want me to raise it from here? Like, raise? It's kind of impossible, but I'll try. No, I mean raise. Raise the AC because it's hot. Oh, you mean turn up the AC. When we turn up the AC, we lower the temperature. Why turn up and not raise? They mean the same thing. You can't say raise the AC to mean turn up the AC because the AC isn't measured on a scale. But you can say raise the temperature to mean make it warmer because temperature is measured on a scale, like low to high. Just like with music, you can only say turn up the music, not raise the music. But you can say raise the volume because volume is measured on a scale. Okay.
Go past this light, then turn right into the parking lot.
When the GPS says light, it means those traffic lights over there. Traffic lights.
How fast can we go? Do you want me to get pulled over? You can say, how long does it take to get there? How long does it take to get there? How far is it from here? How far is it from here? How quickly can we get there? How quickly can we get there? How long does it take to get there?
2 minutes, but since it's rush hour, it's gonna take closer to 20 minutes.
Oh, I'm okay with that.
You can hear cars honking, honking, honking. Stressful, I know.
Oh, can you let me down over there? Oh, I will not let you down. No, I mean, leave me alone. No, I'm not alone. Oh my God, I know what you mean, and there are many ways to say what you're thinking. You could say, could you let me out there, please? But not down. Could you drop me off here? I'd like to get out on that corner. Or here's fine, thank you. Oh, here's fine, thank you.
Sorry to interrupt. If you're enjoying my video so far and you're learning new phrases, that means you love my English course, The Fluency Factory. It's a course filled with useful information and complete lessons for English learners. I go deep into each topic, and by the end, you'll be speaking English more naturally and confidently than ever. Look at this lesson. I mix fun with education. I don't believe that learning a language should be boring. That's precisely why I created this course with my creative teaching style. There are over 40 lessons and over 300 exercises. And once you purchase my course, you'll gain access to the full course, all future new lessons, materials, and updates as they come out. Click the link in the description and start learning with me.
How much is the fare? You can say, how much is it? How much is the fare, which is more formal, or how much do I owe you? Oh, how much do I owe you? That's $30 and the tax is already included. Huh? It means you don't need to add any extra to the total. The total is exactly $30. And we didn't take any toll roads, so you don't have to worry. Tolls? Tolls are fees you pay to use certain roads, bridges, or tunnels. Some highways charge a few dollars, and the amount is added to your fare if we pass through one. Oh, here's $30. Thank you for everything and for helping me improve my English. Thank you. If I also helped you to improve your English, please don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video so that more people can see it. Thank you.